Come guys.
Okay, tara na. Okay. Nak, yung gamit ni Tito mo Martin, lagay mo niya sa gilid. Hi. Hi, love. Ay, sis. Ito. Okay. This is our mini room. Our mini room here. We have up and down. Yan. Okay, walang ref lang.
Parang wala.
Walang ref. Okay, check the bathroom. Here is the bathroom. Yan. Simple lang. Very simple. I think, magkano dito per night, lab? Tapos dito kami gusto we prefer here. And then here, oh, we have balcony. Yes, there's a dog there. Mini balcony. Be careful At saka may lake pala dun sa likod. Yeah, may lake. Papunta doon. It's nice, it's not bad. I think this is 4,500 per night. 4,500 per night for this kind of room. Magkano ito lang? 4,500 per night?
4,300.
4,300 per night?
Good for 6.
Good for 6 na siya. So, 4 lang kami. So, this one is okay.
Oh,
It's not bad.